Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us here at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Saturday evening forecast update. Our weather pattern going to get a little more active as we go through the next few days. Just kind of partly cloudy and hot for our Saturday. It is June 1st, so it does mark the official start of Atlantic hurricane season. And just on time here, National Hurricane Center is monitoring a spot, extreme southern Gulf of Mexico. And you can see they do give that a medium chance. I believe last check about a 60% chance of development here as we go through the next few days. Models are kind of split on where this will go. Some of them take it north along the Texas-Louisiana coast, and you see several of them take it west into Mexico. So it bears watching for us. Even if it were to move out over land there across Texas and Louisiana, it probably wouldn't strengthen much. But what it could do, we've got a cold front on the way the middle of the week. It could really enhance some of the rainfall that we see if it does get pulled north into that cold front in that Wednesday to Thursday time frame. So kind of a lot that we're watching here. So far today, upper 80s and low 90s. You see lots of sunshine out there, just a few clouds drifting through, and temperatures tonight should fall into the upper 60s and low 70s, so not too bad tonight. Will be pretty nice if you're out there around sunrise on Sunday. So you can see the weather pattern for us here. There's a cold front. We're still under the influence of high pressure here, so that's kept us dry today, but it is scooting off to the east. This cold front triggering just a number of storms across Texas and Oklahoma. Potentially could see some light rain perhaps into McCurtain County, maybe Red River County here at some point tonight, early tomorrow morning, but don't expect we'll see any thunderstorms. That this pattern will likely bring us some rain showers and thunderstorms Sunday, Monday, Tuesday before the heavier rain sets up later in the week. Your highs tomorrow really shouldn't change much. Should see most areas along and south of I-20 into the low 90s. The rest of us in the 80s there, and we'll give you a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast because it does show, it doesn't really pick up on the rain that's off to the northwest there, but it does pick up on some maybe activity tomorrow morning. What will happen is these storms will weaken. As they do weaken, they send out what's cool air outflow, and then as we start to heat up tomorrow, that warm air and some of that outflow begins to interact. We will see a few showers and thunderstorms pop up. Most of the models saying the highest chance to see that would probably be across our East Texas counties and maybe across southern Arkansas, but again, we'll see some rain out there. Not everybody will see it on Sunday, but if you do get rain, shower, thunderstorm move through, can cool the temperatures. If we're in the low 90s, you get some rain, it will cool things into the 70s, and that will be the pattern as we roll into your Monday as well, and likely continuing into your Tuesday. So as far as your 7-day forecast, as of right now, we are going to increase those rain chances late Wednesday into Thursday. The way Thursday is looking now, it looks like we could see a line of thunderstorms develop. That's our next big upper level disturbance that makes its way through. So severe weather possibly on the table for Thursday. We're not in the Storm Prediction Center's outlook, but just given the warm temperatures that we'll have in place and the upper level disturbance that's swinging through, may find ourselves at least in a low end severe weather threat on Thursday. Other thing we're watching, a lot of forecast models saying, hey, we'll get a good 1 to 3 inches of rain here Wednesday, Thursday. There's others that are saying potentially maybe up to 4 inches, so we could see some flash flood issues late this week. So we'll take a dry pattern while we can get it here. Temperatures running in the 90s through Tuesday, but that midweek rain should cool us back into the mid 80s.